Accessing EDB file data without Exchange server is almost impossible. Through this video we help you to access, but also offer you to export the data in PDF format. Now jump into the video. Go to Google and enter SysTools EDB Viewer Pro. Now click on the link, shown over your screen. To download the software, click on the download button. Here tool downloaded. Now install and run the software. An interface for the software can be seen here. Click on the Add File button, and the window pops up. In Add a File, we have two options as Search File and Select File. The role of the options is clear through their words. With a search file, you can search for the file. Now in the Search File option, from the Select Drive, you can select the data from the selected one. Files will appear in the table is exactly below. And if you select the Search All drive, this option will automatically search the data, and rest of the process is the same for both options. Now you adding a file. Remove encryption. If you check this option, a window pops up, SMIME, and Open PGP, software remove encryption without any required key. In scan mode, we have two options in the same field, which is Quick and Advance. Quick scan mode, move forward with this option if your file have minimum corruption, and go with the rest option when your file is highly corrupted. Storage folder, this option decreases the risk of losing data while the software proceeding. At the end, click on the Add button. Now you added a file. Here file starts scanning. When scanning is done, the software asks whether to save the scan or not. Select your preference with yes or no options. Now folder imported here, on the left side of the panel, all folders listed here. And the folder containing data will appear on the right side of the software panel. Below you can see the details of the selected item, with few options such as normal mail view, hex, properties, message header, MIME, HTML, RTF, and attachments. Now let's export the data. We have Export and Selected Export buttons. Selected Export will export the only selected file, and Export option will export the complete data. Select as per the need. I am moving with Export option. Now export window opens. Here we have two options, which is PDF and print. Select as per the choice. And now, let's move with PDF option. Now click on the Advance button. PDF panel opens. Few options appear. First one, General Settings. In this option, Naming Convention. You can select the naming convention for the resulting converted files like subject, subject plus date, and etc. In categories, from the given options, in the same fields, you can select them to export. Date filter option can be applied for the range-based. Move to the next button, Page Layout. In this option, you have margin and paper layout options. Margin: in this option you set the PDF margin, from all sides as we know. Minimum and maximum margin, we can set are 2.0 and 10.0. And paper layout, it allows users to specify paper layout, such as paper orientation in landscape, and portrait, and page size as letters A4 and A3. Header and footer, you can enter the header text and footer text fields. Now click on the Save button. Attachments. In these fields, we have three options. Attachment on the pen. This option adds add attachments in PDF as pen. A pen attachment. Convert attachments as PDF pages and append them at the end of the mail. Save attachment. Save attachments in a folder in their original file format. Now let's move to the last options, which is Bates number. Bates number format. This feature allows users to specify the Bates series for file and PDF according to the starting number position. Date stamp. This feature allows users to specify the date in PDF according to the position. Now all the filtration is done. Click on the Save button. With the Save button, we have done with all the advanced filters. Now let's move forward to the next process. Here on the left side of the export window panel, folder hierarchy appears here too. Select the folder to export. Below down software provides some feature which is maintain folder hierarchy, and make a check mark if required. Same as following with the rest of the options, which is, don't export an empty folder, and ignore system folders. Here to browse the location, click on the Browse button. Panel open, select location, and click on the OK button. Now click on the Export button. Export in the process. When exporting is done, the alert comes up, export completed successfully. Click on the OK button. Software provides export report, as shown. Now here is the resultant file.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.